There's one tech stock in the US that has been absolutely crushing it in 2024. But then, in November, when Donald Trump won the election, this stock went wild. It shot up like a rocket, beating pretty much every other stocks on the planet. The stock, MicroStrategy. Now, as its price keeps climbing higher and higher, it becomes harder and harder to justify investing in it. And yet, the price keeps going up. Has it gotten way too expensive to even think about? In today's video, we are going to tell you the crazy story of MicroStrategy. I'll share with you a little bit of the background of the company, the genius, or maybe the crazy guy running the company, and the big risky move he made that sent the stock flying. This is so expensive. When the US election was around the corner, I was thinking to myself,
what stock might benefit if Trump were to win again?
The US election is a once-in-a-4-year event, and I didn't want to miss this chance to find a hidden gem. The cool thing about investing in the 21st century is how many high-tech tools we have to discover interesting ideas. I opened up the moomoo app, one of the go-to places for me when searching for investment ideas, and this is what I did. In the homepage here, I tap on the Markets tab and made sure it was on the US market. When I scroll down until I reach the investment team, and immediately there's one category that filters out stocks that are related to Donald Trump. There are many more investments teams you could discover from the app if you tap inside and have a look, but let's focus back on today's video. I went in to see what stocks moomoo app showed up on the Donald Trump investment team, and whoa! It's like opening up a treasure chest. Look at all the stocks here. And one interesting thing is this. Out of all the stocks that are listed in this table, MicroStrategy's share price has gone up by more than 500% on a year-to-date basis. I don't think I've known any other stocks on my mind right now that achieved this kind of performance in less than a year. Fueled by curiosity, I knew I had to figure out what was behind the massive rally. What I discovered
completely changed the way I thought about this company.
Let's start by talking about the story of MicroStrategy, a company that has been around for decades, but was for most of the time just another name in the tech industry. MicroStrategy was founded in 1989 by Michael Saylor, an ambitious young entrepreneur with a background in engineering. The company started out with a mission to provide business intelligence and analytics software, helping organizations make sense of their data. Some of the company's prominent clients include McDonald's, which MicroStrategy helped to develop applications to analyze the efficiency of its promotion. Hilton, the hospitality company, uses MicroStrategy's data analytics to create guest experience and drive innovations in the industry. Even big tech companies like Facebook and Apple are also examples of MicroStrategy's key customers. You'll notice what the company focuses on is kind of niche in the tech space, delivering software solutions, but unfortunately, it never really stands out. While other tech companies were making headlines with groundbreaking innovations, MicroStrategy remains somewhat under the radar. That is, until the founder, Michael Saylor, had a radical shift in perspective. Around 2020, Saylor became a vocal advocate of Bitcoin. He saw Bitcoin not just as a currency, but as a revolutionary store of value, a way to protect wealth against inflation and the erosion of purchasing power caused by fiat currencies. Saylor started using Twitter as his megaphone, sharing his thoughts on Bitcoin's potential and why he believed it was the future of money. Through these tweets, Saylor not only established himself as the thought leader in the Bitcoin space, but also brought immense attention to MicroStrategy, a company that many have forgotten about. Saylor's Bitcoin conviction wasn't just talk, In 2020, he made the bold decision to add Bitcoin to MicroStrategy's balance sheet. The company's reasoning was very straightforward. Holding cash was losing value due to inflation. So why not invest in an asset that he believed would only grow in value? MicroStrategy's Bitcoin journey began in August 2020 when the company made its first purchase of more than 21,000 Bitcoins at an average price of just $11,600 per Bitcoin, spending a total of $250 million. This initial move was followed by another bold step in September 2020 as MicroStrategy acquired an additional 16,800 Bitcoins at an average price of $10,500 per Bitcoin. By December of the same year, the company's commitment to Bitcoin was undeniable. MicroStrategy raised $650 million through convertible notes to buy another 29,600 Bitcoins. This time, at an average price of around $22,000 per Bitcoin. The buying spree didn't stop there. In February 2021, MicroStrategy raised another $1.05 billion, which was used to purchase about 19,000 bitcoins at an average price of $52,700 per bitcoin. A few months later, in June 2021, the company issued another $500 million in senior secured notes, acquiring 13,000 bitcoins, average price $37,600. By September 2021, MicroStrategy raised an additional $177 million to secure 5,000 Bitcoin at an average price of $48,000. You see, the point I want to make is that over the years, MicroStrategy, under the leadership of Michael Saylor, has bought a total of more than 386,000 Bitcoin at the cost of about $21.9 billion, averaging around $56,700 per Bitcoin. Through these strategic moves, MicroStrategy firmly established itself as one of the largest institutional holders of Bitcoin, turning its balance sheet into a bold bet on the future of cryptocurrency. With the current Bitcoin price nearing $100,000, these holdings are valued at approximately $38.6 billion. In comparison, MicroStrategy's market cap stands around $87 billion. This means that Bitcoin constitutes roughly 44% of the company's market cap. This substantial proportion means that investors view MicroStrategy as a proxy for Bitcoin investment. By purchasing MicroStrategy stock, investors gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movement without directly holding the cryptocurrency. This approach offers a regulated avenue for institutional investors and those hesitant about direct cryptocurrency investment. So much so that a lot of people almost forgot about its core business, a business intel and analytics software company. MicroStrategy has recently introduced significant enhancement to its flagship platform called MicroStrategy One. It is an AI-powered, cloud-native analytics platform designed to deliver comprehensive business intelligence solutions. It enables organizations to create interactive dashboards, perform data visualizations, and develop custom applications all within an unified environment. The platform's AI capabilities facilitate automated dashboard creation, SQL generation, and application design, streamlining data analytics and decision-making processes. These advancements reflect MicroStrategy's commitment to integrating AI capabilities into its platform, empowering users to derive actionable insights efficiently. By enhancing the reliability and accessibility to Gen AI, MicroStrategy One continues to support enterprises in navigating complex data landscapes and making informed decisions. Sounds very technical, chunky, and everything, but that doesn't really reflect on the company's profitability yet. In fact, MicroStrategy's earnings per share for FY24 has been getting worse quarter by quarter. Let's take a closer look. In Q1 2024, MicroStrategy reported an actual EPS of -0.309, significantly missing the market's estimate of -0.076. By Q2 2024, things deteriorated further with an actual EPS of -0.574 compared to an estimate of -0.11. And the worst came in Q3 2024, when the company delivered an actual EPS of -1.72, far below the market's expectation of -0.123. Despite these widening losses, the market remains strangely optimistic. The orange line, representing analyst estimates, shows expectation for a gradual improvement, projecting -0.133 in Q4 and -0.125 in the first quarter 2025. This obvious contrast raises an important question. Why is the market so confident despite worsening performance? The answer likely lies in MicroStrategy's dual identity. While its core business struggles to generate profitability, the market is heavily focused on its Bitcoin holdings. Investors are betting on Bitcoin's rally, which could theoretically offset MicroStrategy's losses or even push the company back to profitability if Bitcoin prices soar high enough. Additionally, the company's aggressive moves with MicroStrategy One and its AI-driven innovations provide a narrative of future growth, even if the immediate financial results haven't caught up yet. This mix of speculative optimism tied to Bitcoin and faith in the potential of its revamped analytics platform seems to underpin the market's confidence. However, whether this confidence will pay off remains a big question mark, especially if the company fails to turn its innovations into tangible profits or if Bitcoin rallies slows down. I did most of my research about MicroStrategy using the moomoo app. And honestly, it's probably one of the best tools out there for gathering all the relevant information you need to make smart investment decisions. Moomoo is packed with features that make it stand out from other investment platforms. For starters, it offers real-time market data and advanced charting tools, which are crucial for analyzing trends and identifying opportunities. The app also has comprehensive screening tools, like the investment themes feature that I showed earlier, which helps you narrow down stocks based on specific criteria. Perfect if you're looking for niche ideas like stock related to political events or even Bitcoin exposure. Plus, its community features let you learn from and share insights with other investors, creating a collaborative environment for making better decisions. Flipping through the news on MicroStrategy, we know that with Trump entering the White House, there has been a continuous stream of positive developments in the cryptocurrency sector. Some experts are saying that Bitcoin could reach $200,000 by the end of 2025, which suggests MicroStrategy has still room to grow. Another critical factor is the movement of institutional money. Moomoo's charts offer an intuitive way to track money flow, an essential tool for understanding market trends. On one side, you can view the day's fund distribution or check previous trading days data after hours. On the other side, you can analyze detailed inflows and outflows by minute, day, week, or month. Block orders representing large institutional transactions give you insights into the direction of big money. By following these trends, you can align yourself with the big players and make smarter trading decisions. Remember, the stock market votes with its money, and no one invests lightly. Using Moomoo's money flow tools, you can pinpoint opportunities to trade. If you're thinking about starting your investment journey, now might be the perfect time. And Moomoo has some amazing promotions to make it even more exciting. Here's how it works. By depositing 1,000 ringgit into your account, you will receive 100 ringgit in cash rewards, perfect for giving your investment journey a solid kickstart. And there's one more little bonus that makes this even sweeter. By using our promo code in the link in the description, you'll also get an extra 40 ringgit cash reward in the form of a stock cash coupon, giving you even more to work with when you start building your portfolio. But it doesn't stop there. If you're ready to take your investments up a notch, depositing 10,000 ringgit gets you something exciting. Half of a share of Apple stock, along with 100 ringgit in cash rewards and extra 40 ringgit stock cash coupons when you use our promo code. And if you're ready to go all in, depositing 30,000 ringgit and completing just 3 buy trades takes it to the next level. You'll earn 1.5 Apple shares on top of the 100 ringgit cash reward and the 40 ringgit stock cash coupon. Imagine stacking all these rewards while owning a piece of one of the most iconic tech stocks in the world. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned investor, Moomoo's promotion make it easy to boost your portfolio and your confidence. I understand that it is unlikely that once you deposit the funds and receive those rewards, you will immediately go and start investing in stocks. It's important to do further research using the Moomoo app to make sure you know what you're putting yourself into. In the meantime, you can save your money in Moomoo's Cash Plus option, where you can put your ringgit in one of the 3 money market funds and make more than 3% yield. Or if you have converted your funds into US dollar, you can save it under the US dollar funds and make over 4% interest returns. Now, here's where it gets even better. Moomoo offers fractional shares trading. Say you have always wanted to own a piece of Apple, but maybe buying a full share felt a little bit out of reach. With fractional shares, you don't need to wait or save up for the full amount. Just like dollar cost averaging strategy, you can start small, owning just a portion of a share while still enjoying the growth and dividends that comes with it. It's like getting a slice of the apple pie without having to buy the whole thing. This feature makes it easy and flexible to build your dream portfolio. Pair that with the rewards we just talked about, plus a lifelong zero commission, and you have got a winning combo to kickstart or supercharge. Do take note that fractional shares options is only available during regular US trading hours, so be sure to stay up a bit later to enter your fractional trades based on US trading hours. So, for a stock that has already gone up so much and looks so expensive, does it really justify this kind of valuation? There are 3 things that we need to look at. We need to consider Bitcoin's trajectory, the company's ability to monetize its analytics platform, and whether it can eventually turn a profit. And while we have covered MicroStrategy today, there's another tech stock worth talking about. It's a giant in Malaysia's tech sector, Inari Amatron, a semiconductor company that is closely related to the supply chain of high-tech devices that we use every day. Its stock valuation has sparked plenty of debates. And next time, we'll dive into why it's so expensive and whether it's worth the price. Stay tuned for that.